Hello children, in our previous lecture video we had discussed about the incomplete dominance and today we will see what is codominance. This is also the deviation of Mendelism. Both the incomplete dominance and codominance are linked with dominance character. In incomplete dominance we had seen that there is an absence of the complete dominance in heterozygote condition, while in codominance the combined effect of both the alleles in heterozygotes are found. So let's see the definition of codominance. It is a condition in which both the alleles of a gene pair in a heterozygote are fully expressed with neither one being dominant or recessive to the other. Remember one thing, this is said that they are fully expressed. That means the alleles are fully expressed. As they remain together in a heterozygote condition, both are expressed together. So let's understand it in a better way using these examples. The first example is the coat color in cattle. There are two possible coat colors in cattle. One is red and another one is white. By crossing both these coat colored cattle, we get a hybrid or heterozygote in F1 generation. Okay. Here it is represented in capital letter. The character redness is represented in capital letter. Whiteness is represented in small letter and it is capital R and it is small r. Here it is the gametes capital R. Here it can produces only one type of gamete small r. By combining both of these gamete we get a new type of genotype, that is capital R small r, that is the heterozygote in F1 generation, which does not show any dominance character as per Mendelism. It shows a new character, that is the rowan color in the F1 generation. The rowan color is the patches of the red and white hair color. As in case of parents, one cattle has red coat color, means red hairs on its body. One has white hair on its body. But the F1 offsprings had both the red and white hair patches on their body. By crossing F1 generation offsprings, we get 4 cattle in F2 generation. Among them, 2 are parental, completely parental. You can see that here capital R, as in case of parental one, small r, as in case of resembles the parental one. And the 2 are heterozygotes as in case of F1 generation. And you can notice that they appear in a ratio 1:2:1. Here the red color is 1, white color is 1 and the rowan color is 2. So the phenotypic as well as the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. As you remember, in case of incomplete dominance, we had seen the F1 generation plants have having new characters. In this case, there is also the formation of new characters in F1 generation. So, what is the difference between the incomplete dominance and codominance? So, in case of incomplete dominance, we had seen that there is a blending or the mixing of characters are found in F1 generation. Remember, we are taking the examples of Mirabilis jalapa having red color flower and white color flower. Mixing both of this, we get the F1 plants having the pink color flower. That is, the white color and the red color are mixing with each other and forms a new color. That means the blending. Blending means the completely they mix with each other and forms a new character. But in case of codominance, here the alleles are fully expressed. So it is written in this form as alleles are fully expressed. That means the redness is fully expressed, the whiteness is fully expressed. They mix up with each other, combinedly they forms the new color. That is, the F1 hybrid has both red color patches and white color patches. So in case of incomplete dominance, there is a blending of characters are found, but in case of codominance, the mixing of or the presence of both the characters are found. Let's see another example, that is the blood groups in human. As you know, there are 4 types of blood groups are found in humans. One is A blood group, one is B blood group, one is AB blood group, and the final one is the O blood group. The A blood group is represented by the alleles IA. Here the gene is I and the alleles are IA. B is represented by the allele IB. O is represented by the allele IO. Remember that IA and IB are both dominant over IO. So let's take the parents having the A blood group and B blood group and mix with each other or crossed between this A blood group and B blood group. The gametes may contain, it can produce only one type of gamete, that is IA. It can produce only one type of gamete, that is IB. They both are combinedly forms the new gamete or the new type of genotype in F1 generation, that is IA and IB. As per Mendelism, if A blood group is dominant, the F1 must have A blood group. But in this case, both A is dominant and B is also dominant. So the organism having IA-IB genotype must show the phenotype of AB blood group, in which they have the both A and B antigen on RBC. So this is the example of codominance in which AIA are codominant to IB, that is both are codominant to each other, and this is also the examples of multiple allelism. Hope this video will helpful for you to understand it in a better way, that is what is codominance and what is the basic difference between the codominance and incomplete dominance. Remember one thing, that in case of incomplete dominance there is no complete dominance is found, but in case of codominance there is a complete dominance is found. That means here red color is also expressed, white color is also expressed. But in case of incomplete dominance, no red, no white, there is a new color, that is the pink color is expressed. So this will helpful for your exam preparation. Thank you.